Welcome to Gossip Big TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. God bless you. My people, where the people wait or say grandpapa no use Regina Daniel to swear juju. Where the people when they talk say, Mama Regina Daniel no swear juju. Regina Daniel is free to do whatsoever she like. Hey, wonder shall never end. If it reach your turn, listening to people where they tell you say nothing go do you, go shoot leg for outside. Now only you go still pay when the time come. My lovely fans, grandpapa don pose o. This thing wey Mama Regina Daniel do Regina Daniel, na all the juju and charm wey grandpapa use Regina Daniel take swear. Na Mama Regina Daniel don remove for Regina Daniel body o. Na e don remove according to wetin we dey hear. Grandpapa don dey provoke. Yes, e don dey provoke. E know say everything when e take tie Regina Daniel down, they don lose all the chain. Hey, I tell una say the best thing that can happen to anybody is to have a good mother when e dey stand for pikin, no matter the situation. All those things wey they use Regina Daniel swear, grandpa, some people they talk say no be juju, no be anything. Say Regina Daniel is very free to do what she like. Mama Regina Daniel was there when her daughter they swear wetin pass her. Mama Regina Daniel eye reach wetin her daughter swear, and she know the consequences of wetin her daughter swear. And to top it all, they are from the same place. Which the one as grandpapa they know the tradition. Now so Mama Regina Daniel too they know the tradition. They know the consequences of what Regina Daniel went through. Now they be tie Regina Daniel for down. Now make grandpapa was so confident that this little girl no get where she dey go. Now make they come they do Regina Daniel anyhow, thinking that they don't already tie Regina Daniel for ground. They say don't tell me Mama Regina Daniel they plan on how to free her daughter from this juju when they take tie am. Now the juju and everything when they take tie Regina Daniel, now im mama take set am free for here. Wetin dey happen for here no be ordinary. Wetin dey happen for here e pass us. Now set free, now they set Regina Daniel free. Wonder shall never end. My lovely fans, they say grandpapa don't pose. You see this thing wey Mama Regina Daniel do? This is the worst thing wey grandpapa don't see. All the other wives wey they live on, none of them do this one. Now make me tell una say Mama Regina Daniel, no matter wetin they talk, this woman, the woman stand gidigba for her children back. None of the other wives wey they do am. Now make if they go come back. Grandpapa na person will be say unless say na he no want the woman again. Now he say the woman go. But if he wants the woman, if they go, then they come back. No one way don't go against grandpapa wish when remain outside. They run, they come back. Polygamy is not a joke. So most of them will be say they don't run, leave grandpapa. They always they come back because of the juju when he use that they swear. The same thing with our Reggie. Reggie also swear that same juju. When he be say he tie Regina Daniel leg and hand. Waiting they use till they beg grandpapa say free this girl. Grandpapa refused to set her free, using that juju as a point of contact to use against her. But Mama Regina Daniel don't go waka find out say see the way they go do am. Now Mama Regina Daniel don't do am. There is a reason why they post them for social media, so that grandpapa go know say that thing when he know, then too they know am. Hey, this small girl go far sha o. Where this small girl be go put hand, e big person. So that charm now, when they take charm Regina Daniel, all the juju when grandpapa use Regina Daniel swear, this poor girl now is set free, and free indeed. Everything don't come off for her body. Now I make the poster, make grandpapa know. Before they will do this kind of thing to welcome her home, that means they wash every juju, everything, every marriage, everything. They don't wash all. throw it. They say grandpapa is in pain. If you see as this thing pain grandpapa, the man knows say no hope again, all hope is gone. This one let grandpapa know say marriage is over. They say when they do this one, now be say the woman no go return back. If the man and the woman won't return back, they need to do marriage again. They will start from square one. As he did now, Regina Daniel is no longer married. And now grandpapa they fear. Regina Daniel can do whatsoever she like now. She can date any man, she can do anything she like. Even if Regina Daniel come out and tell us, say, there was never a marriage. There was never a marriage because there was never a contract or a paper signed. He not marry am for church, he not marry am for mosque, he not marry am for courts. So there was nothing signed. It was only the traditional marriage, which is supposed to be taken to the customary court where they will prove them as husband and wife. But grandpapa did not do it. But traditionally, paper or no paper, this girl was married. And this whole juju process, we are there. So they say, Mama Regina Daniel tell Regina Daniel, say, no try am. No try am. They say, Mama Regina Daniel tell Regina Daniel, say, no try and open that place for any man. This man, if he use that thing to attack you, if he use that thing to strike you, just be patient. No problem with that solution. You see all those things, there are ways they will also do it. So all the traditional rites, when they do, Mama Regina Daniel go do all for her daughter. And this is the last process when they do. That's why they posted it so that grandpapa eyes go reach am. Make it not to say, they don't say, oh, eh. This one, no, them say, they don't say, oh, eh. He eyes reach am. This girl has been set free. There is nothing holding her to grandpapa again. All the charm, all the juju, all the gbogbonie with this little girl swear it don't clean for her body. Una dey see the other picture when I put for there. Una dey see that leg carrying, that leg washing. It was done when she got married. That means the man married her traditionally. Traditionally, all the traditional rites were performed for Regina Daniel head. Paper sign or no paper sign, the man did everything rightfully, traditionally. That means if Regina Daniel have risked herself to go open punana for one man, when they say nothing will happen to her, something would have happened. The mother guided her, protected her. Tell her and say, don't listen to friends or anybody. Do the rightful thing. If anything happen to you, now laugh, they go laugh. You say, don't meet you. So, let us do everything properly. Because this man marry you traditionally. Everything where they do traditionally, do am. Regina Daniel have to do this thing to set her daughter free from all those juju, every juju where this man use and swear. Those one where they talk say nothing, na lie, oh, na lie. They won't just push Regina Daniel go put for fire. When it be say, if to say Regina Daniel go fall for fire, na grandpapa na go still save her. Una they understand? If Regina Daniel by mistake go do anything, na grandpapa they go still carry Regina Daniel go meet. Go beg this old man, say, oh, Gabi Kono, set her free. Now waiting him be they wait for. Now waiting they wait for, because when they talk about the traditional marriage, this man kept quiet, he not talk anything. No. He just fold the hand, they look Regina Daniel, say, hand go meet you. Last, now this parlor, now they go carry you come. Because now so they say that they do. Now here they go carry you come they beg him. Say make he set you free. Make he go village where they go do ancestors things. But be that Regina Daniel's mother and grandpapa, they are from the same place. She knows everything where they happen for them. She take the full step to set her daughter free. As I talk to her, so Regina Daniel is free, and free indeed. And grandpapa is not happy about it. He is not happy at all. You see everything where Mama Regina Daniel do, grandpapa was okay, but not this washing. of her leg. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end o. Beware before you dey do traditional marriage. Ask question. Many people no dey ask. They take traditional marriage for joke. There are a lot of things surrounding that marriage. Be very careful when you not go for pit when you don't know. Especially when you are not from the same village, the same town, the same language with that man. Ask question. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you.